Mohali, strategically located adjacent to Chandigarh, presents compelling commercial property investment opportunities. This is primarily driven by its robust infrastructure development and rapid economic expansion, making it a highly attractive market for investors seeking growth and stability. The increasing demand for commercial spaces from a diverse range of businesses, particularly within the burgeoning IT sector, positions Mohali as a prime location for real estate investment. This sustained demand attracts potential investors who are looking for significant growth prospects and high returns on their capital. Let's now delve deeper into the diverse commercial property categories that are currently available for investment in this thriving and dynamic region of Mohali. Understanding these categories is crucial for making informed investment decisions. Mohali is rapidly solidifying its position as a prominent hub for both IT and manufacturing firms. This significant industrial and technological growth is directly leading to a consistent and high demand for modern, well-equipped office spaces across the city. The ongoing migration of tech companies from already overpopulated metropolitan cities further intensifies the steady need for high-quality, well-equipped office environments in Mohali. This trend ensures a continuous demand for new and existing office properties. Retail spaces are experiencing similarly high demand, fueled by Mohali's continuously growing economy and significant ongoing urbanization. This expansion creates a vibrant consumer market, driving the need for more retail outlets and commercial establishments. Key areas like Aerocity are rapidly emerging as vibrant and dynamic business centers. These areas successfully combine IT companies, startups, showrooms, and retail outlets, which collectively and significantly increases the commercial property value and investment appeal. SCO, or shop-cum-office units, represent a highly flexible and attractive investment option. These units seamlessly combine both commercial retail functionalities with professional office spaces, offering versatility for various business needs. The Greater Mohali Area Development Authority, or GMADA, has successfully auctioned numerous SCOs in prime locations such as Aerocity and Sector 78. These successful auctions clearly indicate strong investor confidence in these versatile and highly sought-after properties. The exponential growth of e-commerce is a major driving force behind a substantial and increasing demand for modern warehouse and efficient logistics parks across Mohali. This sector is vital for supporting online retail operations. Industrial plots are readily available in strategic areas such as Banur and the Sector 82 JLPL industry area. These locations present excellent opportunities for investors looking to capitalize on the expanding industrial and logistics sectors. Investing in these specific locations allows investors to effectively capitalize on the rapidly expanding logistics sector and its promising future growth trajectory. This sector is crucial for regional and national supply chains. With the significant rise of startups and the growing number of freelancers, co-working spaces are gaining immense popularity and traction in Mohali. These spaces cater to the evolving needs of the modern workforce. These co-working spaces offer highly flexible and affordable options for a wide range of businesses, thereby attracting investors who are seeking a steady and reliable rental income stream from these dynamic properties. Beyond these established categories, mixed-use properties and the commercial wings of plotted developments also present highly viable and attractive investment avenues in Mohali. These options offer diverse opportunities for investors. These varied options cater to a diverse range of businesses and investors, offering unparalleled flexibility and significant potential for high returns on investment. This broad appeal makes them a smart choice for portfolio diversification. Now, let's shift our focus and delve into the prime investment locations that collectively make Mohali such an attractive and compelling destination for commercial real estate investment. Understanding these areas is key. Aerocity, strategically situated in close proximity to the Chandigarh International Airport, unequivocally stands out as a prime and highly desirable investment location within Mohali. Its position offers significant logistical advantages. Its robust infrastructure, including wide roads and modern amenities, coupled with its direct proximity to the airport, makes it exceptionally attractive for IT companies, startups, showrooms, and various retail businesses. This connectivity is a major draw. Recent auctions for commercial sites in Aerocity have consistently seen exceptionally high bids, clearly reflecting strong market confidence and significant growth potential in this rapidly developing area. This indicates a robust and competitive market. IT City, specifically encompassing Sector 82A and its adjacent areas, has become a preferred and highly sought-after destination for major IT and manufacturing firms looking to establish or expand their operations. This area is a hub of innovation. The significant presence of established IT parks and prestigious educational institutions like Plaksha University and Amity University directly drives substantial demand for commercial properties in this area. This creates a vibrant ecosystem for businesses. Aerotropolis, envisioned as an ambitious extension of Aerocity, is meticulously planned as a self-sustained hub designed for commercial, residential, and institutional purposes. This integrated development promises a holistic urban environment. Its strategic proximity to both the airport and IT City positions Aerotropolis as a highly promising investment destination. This location is expected to yield significant property value appreciation in the coming years, offering excellent returns. Sector 82 to 85, serving as a crucial extension of IT City, significantly benefits from the positive spillover effects generated by the main IT hub. This attracts a steady stream of businesses and investors alike, seeking to leverage the area's growth. Its meticulously well-planned infrastructure and excellent connectivity further establish it as a highly desirable location for commercial properties. These attributes ensure ease of access and operational efficiency for businesses. Mohali's dedicated industrial areas, including those located in Banur and the JLPL industrial zone, offer robust and compelling opportunities for investment in industrial plots and expansive warehouse spaces. These areas are vital for logistics and manufacturing. The Punjab government's favorable policies and attractive incentives further enhance the investment potential of these crucial industrial areas. These supportive measures encourage business growth and development within the region. We'll cover everything from rental yields to future growth projections. Commercial properties in Mohali consistently offer attractive rental yields, often significantly outperforming residential investments. These robust returns are a primary reason why many investors are turning their attention to Mohali's dynamic commercial sector, seeking greater profitability and stability in their portfolios. Specifically, IT parks in Mohali yield impressive returns of 6 to 8%, while retail spaces offer even higher yields ranging from 8 to 10%. Industrial units also provide strong returns, typically between 7 to 9%. These figures highlight the strong and diverse profitability across different commercial property types in the region. Over the past decade, from 2015 to 2025, Mohali has demonstrated significant and sustained growth, solidifying its position as a key investment destination in northern India. This consistent upward trajectory underscores the city's economic vitality and its increasing appeal to both domestic and international investors. Property values in Mohali have appreciated substantially, with residential properties alone increasing by 15 to 25% in just the last 2 years. This rapid appreciation is a clear indicator of the strong demand and robust growth within Mohali's real estate market, making it a lucrative option for capital gains. Aerocity, IT City, and Sector 82 are currently experiencing remarkable commercial expansion due to their strategic location and excellent connectivity. Their proximity to Chandigarh and well-planned infrastructure are key drivers, attracting numerous businesses and fostering a vibrant commercial ecosystem. The presence of well-planned infrastructure, including modern road networks and access to major expressways, further fuels their growth and significantly enhances their investment potential. These infrastructural advantages ensure smooth connectivity and support the burgeoning commercial activities in these areas. Areas like Aerocity, IT City, and Sectors 82 to 83 are considered prime locations, offering strategic advantages for investors due to their excellent connectivity, developing infrastructure, and high demand for commercial spaces. These zones are poised for continued growth and offer promising returns. the market outlook for Mohali's commercial real estate remains overwhelmingly positive, with continued growth and appreciation expected in the coming years. This optimistic forecast is supported by ongoing development projects and increasing investor confidence in the region's economic stability and potential. Emerging hotspots such as Aerocity Extension, IT City Phase 2, and Knowledge City offer particularly promising investment opportunities. These areas are undergoing rapid development and are expected to become major commercial hubs, attracting new businesses and residents alike. Significant infrastructure developments, including the upcoming Metro Phase 1, the International Convention Center, and various smart city initiatives, are expected to substantially drive property prices upwards. These projects will enhance connectivity, improve urban amenities, and boost the overall appeal of Mohali. For maximum appreciation and returns, investors should focus on properties located along the metro corridor, within healthcare hubs, and in designated smart city zones. These areas are strategically positioned to benefit most from future urban development and increased demand. Mohali offers significant cost savings compared to larger metropolitan cities, making it an exceptionally attractive investment destination. Lower land and development costs translate into higher potential returns and a more accessible entry point for a diverse range of investors. Robust government support, through initiatives promoting smart cities and advanced IT infrastructure, further boosts the market's appeal and stability. These governmental efforts create a favorable environment for business growth and real estate development, ensuring long-term sustainability. A diverse tenant base, comprising a mix of startups, small businesses, and large corporations, ensures a strong and stable rental market in Mohali. This variety minimizes risk and provides consistent rental income for property owners, making it a secure investment. The continuous influx of professionals, students, and businesses into Mohali has led to a flourishing rental market. This demographic growth creates sustained demand for commercial and residential spaces, contributing to the city's vibrant economic landscape and rental income potential. NRI interest in Mohali's real estate is notably significant, driven by factors such as clean governance, the assurance of RERA registered projects, and comparatively lower property prices than in Chandigarh. These elements combine to create a highly trustworthy and appealing investment environment for non-resident Indians. To make informed investment decisions, it is crucial to stay updated on the latest market trends, consult with experienced real estate experts, and conduct thorough due diligence on any potential property. These steps are vital for mitigating risks and maximizing returns. Investing in Mohali's commercial property market requires careful planning and meticulous research to achieve optimal returns. A well-thought-out strategy, combined with detailed analysis, will help investors navigate the market successfully and capitalize on its growth potential. In conclusion, Mohali's commercial real estate market presents a compelling and dynamic opportunity for investors seeking significant growth and stable returns. Its strategic advantages, coupled with ongoing development, position it as a prime location for future investments. Thank you for watching this comprehensive overview of Mohali's commercial property market. We sincerely hope this video has provided you with valuable insights and detailed information to guide your investment decisions in this promising region. For more real estate investment updates, expert analysis, and daily market insights, please subscribe to Acres to Yards. Stay tuned for our regular updates to keep you informed about the latest trends and opportunities in the real estate sector.